Hello guys, and today we are going to be trying to destroy these, I like to call them AirPods, but they're not AirPods. But anyway, these are just earphones. They're Apple earphones, but they've just been have a silver coating on them. Pretty bad. Got them from a cheap shop for like $2. And now they broke, so I'm just going to destroy them. So yeah, first of all, go ahead right now and subscribe to this YouTuber. It's called Introlsive. He does trolling videos of Fortnite. Yeah, not sponsored or anything, but just go subscribe to them. They're pretty good. So yeah, that's him there. Yeah, go subscribe right now. Anyway, let's get to the video. So, first of all, we're going to get a hammer and try to open these things up, because I've never actually looked inside of these before. So yeah, let's go. Try it out. Okay. Oh, that was easy. So, first impressions of one that was already broke. That the plastic's actually chipping off now. Yeah, so that's how bad quality stuff is. And here's the speaker. Oh, it's got I don't know what that is on the back. It looks like vomit. It doesn't smell like vomit. I don't know what that is, glue or something. Yeah, so that's the little speaker part. Now, this part, I'm pretty sure is empty now. I'll try to snap it. I'm too weak to snap it. I can't snap it. So yeah, I want to try to go any further in for this thing. Oh, it's magnet. It just... Okay. Oh no. Okay, that's not breaking. Oh, it is, but... Anyway. Sorry for the loud sound of me breaking this. Yeah, so this weird part here just came off. It's like a piece of metal or something. Is that focusing? Focus. Hello? Focus. I don't know. I don't know if that's focusing or not. I think it's like a little logic board or something. Yeah. So, well, that's that. That's one. Now if I break the casing of this one, and it's flying away now. Okay, that just... Okay, well, that's what it looks inside. Oh no. So it's gonna look inside there. Yeah, they've even painted the inside of it, which is amazing. So we've got a little piece of mesh here. Trying to get this out. Oh, that's it. Oh, that was easy. I punched a hole in it. Okay. Well, now, do not buy these earphones. They are so bad. Just go buy Apple ones. Go spend your money on those. Right, now I'm just going to go get the other one that is went over here. Okay, I got the other one that I just wanted to go away from me. I don't think they're any different inside of any of two of them. Oh wow, that oh, this one has more wires. Oh, okay. Oh, but now I'm guessing. Wait. For some reason, maybe this one doesn't actually work. Maybe it's just a piece of plastic with a fake speaker in it. That could be, because there's no actual wire in here anywhere. Okay. So now, this casing's... Now I can just rip up some... Okay, I'm just going to wrap some plastic. Wait, so now you got a little tube. Yeah, so this has got a wire. Now my hands are all glittery. Oh well. So you got a wire here. This might still work. I don't know. Because I have no idea if it'll still work or not. So this is the same plastic stuff. Yeah, it's like flaking off. Yeah. See, I can just punch a hole in that so easily. And same with this one. So, the piece of mesh on here. There you go. Piece of mesh there. Or whatever that is. I get off my finger. Yeah. So I might try to go deeper in with that's I'm not going any further from that. Into this speaker type thing here. Break. Well, one wire fell off. Good luck at working now. Yeah. So, I bet they're different on the actual real, genuine Apple earphones. See, look how easy this just. Yeah, so here the stuff is actually peeling off now and turning to white. Now my hands are all white. That one's okay, yeah. All has all that metallic silver stuff on it. So yeah, that was a quick video. Yeah, so subscribe. I'm uploading a couple videos now because I don't know why. But anyway, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.